Now we are going to deal with the area of a triangle. Why has area of a triangle come under the topic of determinants? So what is all about determinants is forming a tabular. So many entries are there, so you can find out the number. So area of a triangle also we need to find the number. So consider a triangle. You have the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay. The formula we have already learned in 10th standard is half into x1 into y2 minus y3, okay, plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the formula we have learned. This is general formula. There is a very big triangle. It's in the cyclic order 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, that's all about the area of the triangle. How can we represent this product in the form of a determinant? We have already learned how we got this type of things and all. So we are going to have it in this form: x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1 1 1. Okay, this is how we are going to get that as a product, and you have 1/2 if you are considering the area of the triangle. Okay, if you're considering the area of a triangle. So always when area of a triangle comes, you always have a similar question like whether the points are collinear. Yeah, if 3 points are collinear, their area is going to be 0. That means that this determinant is going to be 0, right? Somehow by properties you can just tell in many cases. Maybe if the ratios are equal or proportional, so in such a case only you can tell that it is going to be 0. Yeah, that's all about the area of a triangle. Next we'll move on to the exercise and do only the important questions over there. Okay, now we have our exercise 4.3. First question, you are asked to find the area of the triangle using these 3 points. For that we are going to use the determinant method. Determinant half times the determinant 1 0 1 1 1. 1 was the format 1 1 1. Then you have 6 0. I'll just enter this. Okay, I'll use the second column. That becomes very easy for me. So half into minus 3. Since it is the second column and the third position, one negative sign have involved over there. Then into, it is going to be the determinant 1 1 6 1. So it is going to be 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 5 is 15. So it is going to be 15 by 2 square units. Okay, that's all about the first subdivision. Second subdivision, similarly I'm going to just do it very fast. 2 7 1 1 1 1 10 8 1. Maybe I'll expand from the second one. Since it is 1 1 1, it's going to be easier than the other one. So I should start with a negative sign only here, and it comes to be 7 minus 8 plus 1 into 2 minus 10 minus 1 into 16 minus 17. Okay, therefore it is half into minus 1 into 7 minus 8 is minus 1, minus 1 is plus 1, plus 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Okay, then minus 1 into 16 minus 70. It's going to be a bigger number, I think. 70 minus 16, it's going to be 54. So it is minus 54 here, one more minus sign, so plus 54. So it is going to be half into 54 plus 1 is 55. 55 minus 8 is going to be 40. 55 minus 8 is going to be 47. Okay, 47. So the answer is going to be 47 by 2 square units. That's all about the first question. Second subdivision. Okay, now we have a second question. Second question is all about showing that it's collinear. Since it is collinear, the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is going to be equal to 0. So that means that the determinant is also going to be equal to 0. So the determinant is equal to 0. That means that I can write A, B plus C, 1, 1, 1 here. So B, C plus A. Okay, then it's about C, A plus B. I need to prove that this determinant should be equal to 0. So instead of expanding and doing, because there are so many variables, it's going to be very irritating over there. So I'm going to do some other thing. So I'm taking C2 becomes C2 plus C1. So it is going to be A, B, C here. Then this is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and A plus B plus C. Okay, 1, 1, 1. I'll take A plus B plus C common outside. Or simply by seeing, I can just tell that the second column C2 divided by C1, yeah, proportional, C2 divided by C3, yeah, it is going to be proportional. That's why this should be equal to 0. That means since the determinant is equal to 0, the area found by these 3 points is area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. That means that these 3 points are collinear. That's all about the second question. Moving on to the third one. Now we have the third question. Let us read what is the third question given. In the question given, it is you need to find the value of K. If the area of the triangle is 4 square units, okay, then these are the vertices of the given triangle. The area is given to be 4 square units. That's all given in the question. You are asked to find the value of K. So the determinant, half into the determinant, that is K0, 4, 0 and 0, 2, 1, 1, 1 should be equal to plus or minus 4. Because when you consider determinant value, it can be either positive or negative. When we consider the area of this here, we need to consider the modulus value. This refers to the modulus value. Yeah, that's all about the modulus value. Since it is considered to be modulus value, there can be 2 possibilities. Even if you consider maybe Cartesian plane. So if you are given 2 points properly here, there can be any point on this line and any point on this line that have the same height. Since this is the base, this forms the base, what will be the height is the same, right? So area depends only on base and height. Therefore, it can be any point on this line. Yeah. Since it is given one of the coordinates is 0, that means that one case will be here and one case will be here. Yeah, that's all about this question. So that means you can understand there are 2 cases that are possible for this both these questions. Okay, you got this thing. So now I need to expand. For this, I'll take 2 towards this other side. So when I expand, I'll get minus 2 into K minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 8. Okay. So minus 2 into K minus 4 is equal to minus 8. That is one thing. Okay. Then you have minus 2 into K minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. 2 and this 4 will get cancelled here. 2 and that 4. K minus 4 is equal to 4. K is equal to 8 is one case. Okay. Then you have K minus 4 is equal to minus 4 again. Since I have a minus sign here, this minus sign I had to take it to the right hand side. So this was 4. Here it was 4 minus 4 and minus 4. This minus 4 and this minus 4 get cancelled. So 0. Here it was K is equal to 8. So 0 and 8 are going to be the answers for K. Okay, that's all about the first part. The second part here is half into, similarly I'm going to do it faster, 0, 4, 0, K, 1, 1, that is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay. Okay, for now, I need to take this 2 to the other side as I have done in the similar here. Then I need to expand it from this. So it is minus 2 into 4 minus K. 4 minus K is equal to plus or minus 8. Or if I take this minus sign, this doesn't make a difference because here both the cases are considered. From plus or minus, it becomes minus or plus. the two cases are remaining the same. Therefore it is 2 into 4 minus k is equal to 8. 2 into 4 minus k is equal to minus 8. Yeah. So 2 and this 4. 4 minus k is equal to 4. K is equal to 0 is one case. So now we have 4 minus k. 2 and this becomes 4 here. 4 minus k is equal to minus 4. And k is equal to 8. Is the same answer you are going to get here also. Okay, now we have a fourth question. Fourth question, you are asked to find the equation of the line containing these 2 points. So in straight lines we have already learned how to find the line, that's the equation of this line. So what do we do with this area of the triangle and so many things here? Yeah. So whenever we derived, so maybe derivation, maybe again in the 3D geometry also we are going to derive so many of them. So here when you derive, we are going to consider one of them as a general point x, y. Yeah, general point that is belonging to that line. So we are going to write that is x1, y1, 1, 2, x2, y2, 3, 6 and xy. Xy is general point. Then 1, 1, 1 remains like this. And since it is an equation, you need to equate it to 0 and somehow get this. Okay, so better to start with this only, otherwise we are going to mix up with so many terms. So I'll start with x. Yeah, x into, it comes to be 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 6, minus y into 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, so minus 3, plus 1 into 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4, so it is minus 4x. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, it is going to be plus 2y is equal to 0, or I can write it to be, maybe I'll multiply by minus also, so it is going to be 2x minus y is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to y. Let me just substitute this and see. So the value of y is double that of x. That is what the meaning of this equation. So therefore it is correct. Okay. Next you have 3, 1, 9, 3. So similarly we are going to do here 3, 1, 9, 3. Taking one of general point 1, 1, 1. Equating it to 0. What we are going to get here is x into 1 into 1, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus y into 3 minus 9, 3 minus 9 plus 1 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9, equate it to 0. This is however 0. So this is going to be minus 2x. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 into minus is plus 6. So plus 6y is equal to 0. So I'll take this 2x to the right hand side. So 3y is equal to x. X is equal to 3y. Let us just check, apply. So the x term is 3 times that of the y term. X term is the 3 times that of the y term. Yeah, this is satisfying. That means our equation is alright. Therefore, these two are the required equations in the question 4. Moving on to the fifth question. Okay, now we have a fifth question. Fifth question is an MCQ. So it is given the area of this triangle is 35 square units and these 3 points is given. You are asked to find the value of k over there. So for that again we are going for the determinant form. Half into 2 minus 6, 5, 4, k, 4 and 1, 1, 1. Okay, we'll take 2 common outside from this. If I take 2 common outside from this, 2 comes outside and get cancelled with a half. Therefore this comes to be 2, 5, k minus 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1 is equal to plus or minus 35. So I can expand with one of these things. So maybe I'll expand with the first column. So it's going to be 2 into 2 minus 2. Then minus 5 into minus 3 minus 2 plus k into minus 3 minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 35. Since it is plus or minus 35, it is equal to 0. You are going to get 2 cases. This is 0 and you have minus 5 into minus 5, that is 25, plus k into minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 35. Okay, we'll see what are the cases we are going to get here now. The cases we are going to get is minus 5k plus 25 is equal to plus or minus 35. Since 5 is common in both the sides, I can remove one 5 over there. So it's coming to be minus k plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 7. Okay, so we are going to the two cases. 5 minus k is equal to 7. 5 minus k is equal to minus 7. So this case becomes k, I'll take it to the right hand side. K is equal to 12 is what we're going to get. Okay, here what is this? I'll take this to this. So k is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 and 12 are the answers for this question. Okay, that's all about, this is the option C. So that's all about this area of the triangle. In next class, we are going to learn about minors, cofactors, how to find adjoint of a matrix, and then solving the matrix by using the matrix equation. Okay, thank you.